Ronit, if you're an investor looking over this sector, what metrics would you use to measure the success of a particular bank? I mean, are you meant to be looking at non-performing loans in this environment, particularly given your own assessment that there's a stronger correlation with non-performing loans to the unemployment rate in a particular country versus GDP? And I guess when you encapsulate all of that, what does this mean for bank asset quality moving forward as well? If you're an investor, what are the things that you should be looking at when you're casting your eye over this sector?
Sure. Now, bank share prices tend to have a super high correlation with interest rates, the level and the direction, and also the economy. And a good proxy for that is, if you're looking at short-term data, look at PMIs. So if PMIs are swinging up, bank shares tend to go up, and vice versa. Now, rates are going to remain low for the foreseeable future in the US and Europe, and that's going to be a headwind for the banking industry on a multi-quarter basis, maybe even a multi-year basis. And it's one of the reasons why at a global stock market level, our strategists have been underweight banks because of this very low rate environment. Now, in terms of banks specifically on a fundamental basis, we've done quite a bit of work showing, and this is true for Europe, but it also applies outside Europe, that unemployment levels are very highly correlated with bad loans in the balance sheet. In times of crisis, bank stocks tend to get valued as price to book or price to distressed book. So you're trying to work out what the balance sheet looks like. And the best way to work that out, sort of looking ahead, is track unemployment trends. If you think unemployment will beat in the next 12 months, go in and, maybe oversimplifying, but go and invest in that country and vice versa. So we think, price to book, NPLs, those are the key metrics. When times are good again, banks tend to get valued on price to earnings or even price to some of the parts. But for the foreseeable future, it's all about the balance sheet for most real economy banks.